think that we all know that we can do more to lessen our impact on the environment, so we take pride in doing our little bit for the National Forest. Their aim of creating the first forest in England for more than 1,000 years is a campaign we enjoy supporting. We've been sponsoring tree planting for a number of years, but in 2019 we became mycelium partners, and in doing so we've become even more committed to the charity. We were really disappointed that the Timber Festival couldn't go ahead this year due to coronavirus, so this is just our way of staying connected to this project. We noticed on the interactive sound map that there were loads of locations in our area that were still unrecorded, but Millfield Wood is just a mile away from COBA's facilities. I do feel that getting back to nature is really calming at the moment, and I think that it's something we could definitely all benefit from right now. So having these green areas to walk in our local community is really important to me.